Damn.
Not really
Cheez-It.
Hey everyone. How are you today? It's a week since class has been over and I've just been relaxing and editing videos and trying to get I just saw our calendar. Karina just changed it. I've been trying to get as many beach days in as I can. I love that. That's exactly the plan. I think today I'm going to Malibu with Gianna and Amber, so that'll be fun. They said they found a little spot a little bit ago. It's kind of like a secluded secret spot that they really liked, so I'm excited to check that out and get some sun. I'm trying to work on my tan. As you can tell, I'm not very tan.
His life is what you make it.
You ready for the beach, Gianna?
Yeah, look at my outfit. This is my clean outfit. These shorts that shouldn't be going to the fucking beach in my dad's shirt. So let's
Make it up. Oh, what?
This is my home team.
Give us an OOTD.
Oh, here. Wait. I'm trying to get out of the camera.
Oh.
It's not working. Okay, this is my OOTD. These shorts, that are the only shorts that I have clean. This shirt.
Where'd you wear your McDonald's shirt? We need to show them. It's so
BRB,
cute.
stay here, guys. Duh.
I love that bikini.
This bikini is from my mother's, and is it weird that I'm wearing her bottoms? Maybe a little bit.
No,
but
I don't think it's
that,
weird. They freaking were so excited about these McDonald's shirts yesterday.
Okay, no, I've been wanting this for like ever.
Which is so funny.
I feel like me and Ronald could have been related. The red hair, the pale skin,
For sure.
very tall figures. A little daunting.
The white and the black.
And it makes sense.
Oh.
Vlog, I literally was dry heaving in my bed 5 minutes before Ellie got here.
Why?
I don't know. Like, I was hungover.
Oh my gosh, are you like better now?
Yeah. You probably think that you are better now. Better now. I saw that live. Yeah, 2 days ago, I swear to God. I have proof. Wait, guys, I have a hat for both of you, so you have to wait. Stand by, everyone. Those are so fucking cute. They're all different names.
Oh, high me up.
I'm obsessed with these. Look at us.
Oh, how stinking cute.
That looks so good.
Oh wait, this is the Dua Lipa.
Mine kind of looks like a yarmulke, but in a good way.
I'm a strawberry. We should wear them to the beach.
I'm down. They are good sun protection.
Really? It's like I'm getting no comment.
I'm literally deceived.
These are so pretty.
I'm obsessed with this though.
Wait, why do you have like 10?
Because Simran would make them. She could make it in like a day. She made my Coachella outfit. Like,
Didn't you win free Coachella tickets?
free VIP, ho.
Your outfit right now is crazy.
Like, some of them actually can be cute because like Dua Lipa wore this exact pattern. And that one. Haley Bieber wore that one.
All I know is it's so like big, the size of the
Yo, why are they so big, honestly? Are you a sailor?
Anyways, this is my OOTD, not the hat.
We're still on OOTD.
I haven't given mine yet. This is Gianna's bikini top.
Oh my god!
Tropic of Sea.
So cute. I've been wanting those.
She changed that outfit.
Should I wear my charity hat with my fucking Nelk Boy shirt?
Yes.
Yeah, probably.
Ready for the beach.
Actually,
feel your breath in my lungs. Do you? Do I love the taste of your tongue, got a taste of your love, and I want you. And it goes way beyond the chemistry, the kind of friend that I can never have platonically. And they don't know about what's going on behind the scenes, but they don't need to swear. I'll keep it between you and me. What we doing, yeah.
Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a gas station haul for the beach.
I got Cheez-Its.
And there are cute boys right there.
Cute is aggressive.
This for some actual food. A Kit Kat.
Oh, at least you're not.
pretty. It's so warm.
You got the same vibe, that's what I like.
How did you guys just find this? Sunglasses on Depop, and I don't know. What do you think about the shape?
I
Those
like
are
them.
so
Do you like
Yeah,
them?
they're
So good.
super cute.
But they're really ugly, but they look really good on you.
Thank you.
Like, you know, like when something's like cute ugly? Yeah.
That's the kind of stuff I like. I
Yeah,
feel
yeah,
like.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I got these on Depop.
Or, no, okay, but does that mean it's ugly or it's just different?
Different, because
Yeah.
ugly, isn't that like subjective or objective? I always get subjective and objective confused.
This is really good sunscreen if the only ingredient is zinc.
Really?
That means you're...
It's been some time
Oh, it's not bad.
since
Wait, this
we
is so
said
cute.
goodbye. And I know that you've moved along. I've been doing well on my own, but I'd be lying if I didn't want to. How much time you've been spending alone? Who you been seeing now? Who you like to be around?
The real moneymaker.
The real moneymaker. Hey, Vloggy Vlog. I think it's recording still. It's t-shirt time because your girl got a 3rd-degree burn last time she was here. At the beach. So. Ah! She just scared the fuck out of me! Yes! That's gonna be some good footage. Matched your fucking bathing suit because it would be like and now you're just in fucking black, yellow, blue.
That'll be a vibe.
You look so majestic. How'd it feel?
Cold as shit, but really nice.
Nice.
But the thing that's kind of sussing me out, it's like rocky. So I don't know where I could like dive into. Bye guys. That was crazy. Oh no.
Damn. Not
That really sucks.
Cheez-Its.
I hope they don't poop on us.
Also, when do you guys want to go? I'm just curious.
No.
We're getting attacked.
Oh my god, we are kind of getting attacked.
Oh yeah, it's time to go. You're gonna get killed.
Wow, what a beach day. That was so fun.
I know. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.
This is how the real ones do it, Ellie.
The Cali locals.
Yeah, these are the Cali local way. You let the wind do the work. Girls Gone Wild. Woo, 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 woo.